Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Maple. I hope everyone is having a great start of spring. Well, Chicago is certainly not feeling like spring. It's, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 Celsius degrees out there right now. But I'm glad that it's almost like 5 something, but there's still 5:20 actually, and the sun is still out and I can film this video. So today I'm coming at you with a big vlog sale. So I had a little success with selling my Gucci red padlock bag. The very nice and patient buyer is Sam from California. Sam, if you're watching, I want to thank you so much for your trust, for your patience, and you are a great buyer, and I hope you will enjoy this bag so much just like I did. I've been doing a lot of shopping lately and I bought a few new bags. So when I look at my closet, I realized that there are a few bags that I really loved and still love, but I don't reach for them anymore. I just don't use them, and I think it's best to part with them and let them go to someone who will continue to love them and use them. And just as what I did in my last video, I will talk about the bags and then set the price in the description below so that I can change them later, and I will leave my contact information in the description box as well. When it comes to payment, I can do bank transfer and also PayPal. I think PayPal is more convenient and safer. So without further ado, let's get started. And the first bag, it's a high-ticket item, and this is my new Fendi Can I shoulder bag. Some of you may ask, why are you selling already? Didn't you just get it? Yes, so I got it probably around Christmas time last year. Can't remember exact date, but the thing is, when I got this bag, I also have my Antigona and the Gucci Marmonts at around the same time. So this bag was just sitting on the shelf and waiting for its turn to be used. And by the time I started to want to use it, I realized that I wanted a different color, because I saw that Fendi came out with the new spring summer 2018 collection, and they have some new colors that I wanted to get in this exact same bag. So yeah, I really like this bag. I just think those scallop French details is so cute, and I love this accordion shape because it fits a lot and it's not stiff, and the back is like this. It comes with 2 shoulder strap. One is the top handle one, and this is detachable. So it comes up like this. And the other one is the longer one. It's also detachable if you just unhook this here. There are a few different ways you can wear this bag. You can hold it in your hand or put it on the crop of your arm. Oops. Double it up, wear it on the shoulder, or crossbody, or just one shoulder. I will show some modeling shots at the end of the video. Let me show you some more details on this bag. So here it says Fendi, and there are 2 little like square studs, and like, as you can see, there are still the protective stickers on them. So we push it and it opens up like this. And inside is all dark suede, and there are 2 big compartments, and there's 1 slip pocket. This bag is very roomy. I can put my big long Prada wallet and put an umbrella, hand cream, the big ones, and also a portable charger. So it's perfect for work or for school or for going out. So yeah, I really like this size, so I'm planning to get this exact size with the scallop fringe, because that's what I love about the Can I collection. I'm going to buy this size in another color, and I actually have already purchased the small ones in a different color, and it's supposed to arrive tomorrow, so I'm really excited. Yeah, I will be having, I'll be doing like a spring haul, spring collective designer haul, to show you the handbags that I bought the past couple months. So the Can I in this size with the scallop fringe, it's currently retails for $2,200 or $2,350 in the US and plus tax. So I bought it from Britain, from the flannels.com, like I said in my unboxing video. Oh, if you haven't seen that, if you haven't watched that unboxing video, I will link it below. So they don't take returns after 14 days, and back then I didn't think that I would want a different color, so I just let it sit there, and by the time I wanted to get a different color, it's too late to return or exchange. So the next bag on my to sell list is this Tory Burch shoulder bag. It's a very beautiful lavender with a little pink undertone. It's still in really good condition. I really enjoyed using this bag. I still love it, but I just don't use it as much anymore. So let me show you some details. It opens up like so. I still have the stuffings in there. So inside is just one big compartment with 2 slip pockets and then 1 zipper compartment. This bag fits the decent amount of stuff. I can put my big Prada wallet in there for sure, with my phone, because they have 2 side, oh, what's that? 2 side pockets here. I usually wear it doubled up on my shoulder, but if you're really tall, you can also wear it long strap, crossbody. The one thing about this bag that's not perfect, it's because I damaged it. So this bag is a little damaged. So here's the bottom. I think I leaked some water while it's in the bag. So at the bottom, I'm not sure. Yeah, here. It's like water damage. But other than that, inside, outside, it's in really good condition. So the Tory Burch bag I purchased in Chicago in the Tory Burch store. I also have a unboxing video which I will link below. It comes with the original dust bag and the tag. I think I still have the tag in the dust bag. So the next one is this PHILLIP LIM mini PASHILI. I bought it from Nordstrom in the spring of 2016, which I also have a video on it from a long time ago. And yeah, this is a really cute mini bag which you can unzip this wing here and pull it out, so it looks like this. Even though it's it's categorized as a mini bag, it actually fits a lot. So this one did not come in the dust bag when I purchased it. It's just one big compartment here. It's a little dirty inside, not very perfect because I did use it a lot. And then there's a zip pocket, and here it says 3.1 PHILLIP LIM. So let me show you details and conditions of this bag. This is the back, and the bottom, the corners are really good still. And then the handle here, you can actually button up so the handle will stick together like this. And it comes with a detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. I had it at this hole here, but you can adjust it and make it longer. I love wearing it just on the shoulder, on the side, but more often I wear it crossbody. Okay, and the last one is my Kate Spade shoulder bag. So this bag, the color, it's also a light lavender color, but if I put it side by side with my Tory Burch, you can see the difference. So the Tory Burch one is more like a pinky tone, pinky undertone, but this one is more like a lavender, I'd say. So there's this quilting here all over the bag. At the bottom there are the 4 feet, a big pocket, and then inside 2 pockets on this side and a big zip compartment on the other side, and inside there's another secret compartment that you can put your important stuff and then also zip it up. And to close the bag, there is no zipper, but you can button it up so it would be more secure. It's a great shoulder length. I used to use it for work a lot, but yeah, I just stopped using it a while ago. It fits a lot, as you can see. Probably fits a small size MacBook if you carry your laptop. And just to do a quick sums up with those couple bags, so the Fendi Can-I is like 99.9% new, comes with the original dust bag and the booklets, no box. The Tory Burch shoulder bag, it's also maybe 90% new, except the bottom there's some damages. Comes with the original dust bag as well. And the PHILLIP LIM mini PASHILI, it's probably 75-80% new, except the inside, it's a little dirty, sorry. And no dust bag. And the Kate Spade, it's pretty good condition. A little wear and tear. There's a mark here. Can you see it? And it comes with the original dust bag. I purchased it on katespade.com. And I will list their prices in the description box. Also my contact information. So if you have any questions about any of those bags, feel free to ask questions. And thank you for staying to the end, because I have a giveaway for those stay to the end. And it's this very cute Kate Spade clutch. I love this pink. And also there's the bowl here. I think I talked about this clutch in one of my videos. And not just this clutch, also the winner will have a Kate Spade card holder. The bling bling ones, I really like the bling bling. So this card holder has 3 slots, 1, 2, and 3. I actually bought it around Christmas time, wanted to do this giveaway in one of my videos, but never got a chance to. So yeah, the winner will have this clutch and also the card holder. Oh, let me show you how to open this clutch. So here, you just turn this lock, open it up. It's like an envelope. And inside, there is a zipper compartment. And this giveaway is open internationally. I will keep this giveaway open for 4 weeks. And I will pick randomly, maybe draw a name from a hat, something like that. And then ship the clutch and the card holder to our winner. So to enter this giveaway is very simple. First, please follow me on my Instagram and my YouTube channel. If your Instagram name and YouTube name is different, you can leave a comment at my Instagram or YouTube channel and saying what those 2 names are, so I know that you follow this rule. And then please give this video a thumbs up. And third, please tag or at your one of your friends in this video's comments. So in the comment section, at one of your friends that you think would like my channel. And that's it for the video. I will see you guys next time. Bye!